Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Bruce's Box Break. Tonight we've got two boxes, Dominion Hockey 13-14. It's break number 103. Last team sold was the Winnipeg Jets, and that's sold at 20:44 Eastern Time. And we've got our eBay time is 18:08 Pacific, 21:08 Eastern, and 22:08 Atlantic Standard Daylight Time, or whatever it is. Okay, so I just broke the case and got the boxes out of it for break number 102. So here's our two for 103. Again, serial numbers weren't listed because they were still in the case. I want to go through our list of winners and their respective teams. Welcome Boston for me, and Bruins fan 1144. I gotta throw a big hello out to all the Bruin fans. Italy Gabby, thank you. Buying up a bunch of teams, that's good. As did Josh McClellan. I guess quite a few people had multiple teams, so very good. So here we go, break number 103. Serial number is out of a new case. So let's get right to it. Last break I did of this, I pulled a 1 of 1, not the one tonight, but last week. Pulled a 1 of 1, which was pretty sweet. Printing plate. We'll take it. Okay. This is going to be a good pack, I can tell right by the start. Right from the start. Let's flip them over and go for the base cards first. Let's start off with Jordan Eberle. 173 out of 299. Oilers is Angela N. 1826. Welcome back. Haven't seen you in a while. Then we've got a rookie auto base. 113 out of 299, and that goes to Josh McClellan. And that is Chris Terry for the Carolina Hurricanes. And we've got for the Devils, Josh McClellan. Oh, sweet! Oh, look at that. Look at that nice pretty color. Look at that nice tag, and look at that. Not quite 1 of 1, but it's 2 of 2. Holy snapping. Too bad he's in a uniform that is the Vancouver Canucks, because it does go to Josh McClellan. Because of, wow, look at that. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Very nice, very nice. That's why you got to keep coming back to Bruce's Box Breaks. We're going to be doing a lot of this Dominion stuff. We've got a 7 out of 50 gold. Jimmy Howard for MBSC Golf 1224. Welcome back. Very nice, very nice. And we've got our redemption. And that's Jared Tenorti. And that's rookie patch auto, card number 167. So that will go out to Josh McClellan. That's Montreal, I'm sure. Then our last card is nice. It's gold. It's 25 out of 99. And it's got a lot of silver there too. Tanner Pearson for LA. And that's Italy Gabby. That's our first box down. And get right into the second one. Sweet, 2 of 2. Now we can only find the 1 of 2 in this box. This one's lacking on thickness. But you know, when they lack on thickness, that does not mean a thing. Well, we're going to start right off with a redemption. Sweet. Hand signed. Card number 15, Derek Stefan. That'd be for the Rangers, and that's Bruins fan 1144. Sweet. And for the Capitals, Josh McClellan. Geez, Josh, you're cleaning up. Braden Holtby. Gold base. 34 out of 50. Some kind of sweet. Oh, nice. For the Boston Bruins, we've got pen pals. We've got Dougie Hamilton and Ryan Spooner. Excuse me. 26 of 99. Nice. Very nice. For the LA Kings in Italy Gabby, Tyler Toffoli. We've got a patch auto rookie card. 28 out of 299. Look at the breaks in that bub. Yes, sir. Sweet. For Italy Gabby and the Nashville Predators, we got Philip Forsberg. And this one's 34 out of 99, and it's emerald, or emerald, sapphire. Sorry. I had two sapphire ones in my last break that I just finished, and they were both 11 out of 99. Weren't the same card, but weren't the same player, I mean. And last but not least, for Italy Gabby and the Chicago Blackhawks, we've got Corey Crawford, 168 out of 299. There you have it, folks. That's all she wrote. Look out for me on Sunday. Sunday night, I've got the same thing that's going on tonight. Two different breaks, 2 boxes in each. Let's just quickly go through these. Chicago, Nashville, LA, Boston, Washington, New York Rangers, LA, Montreal, Detroit, New Jersey. 2 of 2. Sorry, Charlie Hanna. Sorry. But that's the rules. Carolina and Edmonton. So there you go. There you have it, folks. Thanks again for taking part, and I hope to see you in my next one. Till then, good night. Happy beating.